I am a 13-year-old girl. What code of conduct would you tell a 13-year-old child to follow?
How cute.
You're asking… she's the expert in criminal code. She's asking you?
No, she's asking you.
You asking her or me?
No, she's asking Sadhguru, right, bete? You asking Sadhguru, right? Yes?
Okay. No code of conduct. See, we are trying to replace humanity and human intelligence with morality and ethic, which is a very wrong way to conduct humanity. The most important thing is, I want you as a young girl to sit here. Today when you go home, I want to just sit there and look at it. What makes your life? Experiment. Just close your mouth, hold your nose for 2 minutes. You will know, breath is important. Yes? If you breathe, what you exhale, the trees are inhaling. What the tree exhales, you're inhaling. 1/2 of your breathing apparatus is hanging out there, actually. Your lungs, only one part is here, another part is up on the tree. If you see this, do I have to tell you, next time you're walking by the tree, don't pluck the leaf and go, don't cut the tree, do I have to tell you? There is no need to tell you this. Similarly, in every aspect of life, the food that you eat, the water that you drink, the planet that you walk upon, the people that you encounter, use your intelligence. What is needed is a more sensible world, not a moralistic world. We need a sensible world. Just exercise your sense as a human being. As a human being, you have all the necessary faculty to grow up as a full-fledged human being. I don't have to put code into you to make you into a human being. It is just that if you take codes from other people, you may cease to be a human being. Because there are people who have brought in values into their life which makes them inhuman. You don't take anybody's values, anybody's morals, anybody's ethics. Just as a human being, as you breathe, eat, live, just be conscious and act sensibly, you will be a wonderful human being.